Hey, welcome back. My name is Sushant Satish, and I'm your trainer for this AZ500 Azure Security Engineer Certification course. In this video, we're going to talk about Azure Monitor. Let's have a high level look at the things what we are going to learn in this video. We will understand what is Azure Monitor and what are the components involved in the Azure Monitor, things like metrics and logs. And what is Azure Log Analytics and how can you use Azure Log Analytics for connected sources? And we will talk about Azure Monitor alerting as well. Then we will finish off with diagnostics and logging. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So what is Azure Monitor? Azure Monitor maximizes the availability and performance of your applications and services by delivering a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you understand how your applications are performing and proactively identifies issues affecting them and the resources they depend on. This example high-level diagram shows the two fundamental data types that Azure Monitor uses: metrics and logs. On the left-hand side, this shows the sources of monitoring data that populate these data stores. And on the right-hand side, it shows the different functions that Azure Monitor performs with this collected data, such as analysis, alerting, streaming to external systems, etc. All data that Azure Monitor collects fits into one of two fundamental types: metrics or logs. So what are metrics? Metrics are a numerical value that describes some aspect of system at a particular time. Metrics are collected at regular intervals and are useful for alerting because they can be sampled frequently, and an alert can be fired quickly with relatively simple logic. So what are the list of different ways that can use a metric data in Azure Monitor? You can use analyze, visualize, alert, automate, export, retrieve, and archive. So now let's understand what are Azure Monitor logs. Logs in Azure Monitor contain different kinds of data organized into records with different sets of properties for each type. Logs can contain numeric value like Azure Monitor metric, but typically contain text data with detailed descriptions. They further differ from metric data in that they vary in their structure and are often not collected at regular intervals. Telemetry such as events and traces are stored Azure Monitor logs in addition to performance data so that it can all be combined for analysis. A common type of log entry is an event, which is collected sporadically. Events are created by an application or service and typically include enough information to provide complete context of their own. For example, an event can indicate that a particular resource was created or modified, a new host started in response to increased traffic, or an error was detected in an application. So what are the list of different ways that you can use logs in Azure Monitor? You can use it for analyzing, visualizing, alert, retrieve, and export. Let's go a little deep into log analytics. Log analytics is part of Microsoft Azure's overall monitoring solution. Log analytics helps you monitor cloud and on-premises environment to maintain availability and performance. Log analytics is the primary tool in the Azure portal for writing log queries and interactively analyzing their results. Even if a log query is used elsewhere in Azure Monitor, you will typically write and test the query first using log analytics. You can start log analytics from several places in Azure portal. The scope of the data available to log analytics is determined by how you start it. Let's look at some of the areas in Azure Monitor you will use these queries. First, let's look at alert rules. Alert rules proactively identify issues from data in your workspace. Each alert rule is based on a log search that is automatically run at regular intervals. The results are inspected to determine if an alert should be created. Second area in Azure Monitor where you will use the queries are dashboards. You can pin the results of any query in an Azure dashboard, which allow you to visualize log and metric data together and optionally share with other Azure users. The third area where you can see the results is views. You can create visualizations of data to be included in user dashboards with View Designer. Log queries provide the data used by tiles and visualization parts in each view. Fourth area is export. When you import log data from Azure Monitor into Excel or Power BI, you create a log query to define the data to export. Another area is PowerShell. You can run a PowerShell script from a command line or an Azure automation runbook that uses get-az operation all inside search results to retrieve log data from Azure Monitor. The last area in the Azure Monitor is Azure Monitor Logs API. The Azure Monitor Logs API allows any REST API clients to retrieve log data from the workspace. The API requests include a query that is run against Azure Monitor to determine the data to retrieve. Let's understand connected sources. The Log Analytics agent was developed for comprehensive management across virtual machine in any cloud, on-premises machines, and those monitored by System Center Operations Manager. The Windows and Linux agents send collected data from different sources to your Log Analytics workspace in the Azure Monitor, as well as any unique logs or metrics as defined in the monitoring solution. The Log Analytics agent also supports insights and other services in Azure Monitor, such as Azure Monitor for VMs, Azure Security Center, and Azure Automation. The Azure Diagnostic extension in Azure Monitor can also be used to collect monitoring data from the guest operating system of Azure virtual machines. You can choose to use either or both depending on your requirements. The key differences to consider are Azure Diagnostic extension can be used only with Azure virtual machines. The Log Analytics agent can be used with virtual machines in Azure, other clouds, and on-premises. And the Log Analytics agent is required for solutions, Azure Monitor for VMs, and other services such as Azure Security Center. Azure Diagnostic extension send data to Azure Storage, Azure Monitor Metrics, and Event Hubs. And the Log Analytics agent collects data to Azure Monitor Logs. Let's talk about Azure Monitor Alerts. In addition to allowing you to interactively analyze monitoring data, an effective monitoring solution must be able to proactively respond to critical conditions identified in the data that it collects. This could be sending a text or mail to an administrator responsible for investigating an issue, or you could launch an automated process that attempts to correct an error condition. Alerts in Azure Monitor proactively notify you of critical conditions and potentially attempt to take corrective action. Alert rules based on metrics provide near real-time alerting based on numeric values, while rules based on logs allow for complex logic across data for multiple sources. Alert rules in Azure Monitor use action groups, which contain unique set of recipients and actions can be shared across multiple rules. Based on your requirements, action groups can perform such actions as using webhooks to have alerts start external actions or to integrate with your ITSM tools. This is an example which shows the key attributes of an alert rule. We have target group, defines the scope and signals available for alerting. Then we have signals, which is emitted by the target resource. We have criteria, which is a combination of signal and logic applied on a target resource. And we can have actions as well, a specified action taken when alert is fired. Azure Monitor Diagnostic Logs are logs produced by an Azure service that provide rich, frequently collected data about the operation of that service. Azure Monitor makes two types of diagnostic logs available: tenant logs and resource logs. So what is tenant logs? Tenant logs comes from tenant-level services that exist outside of an Azure subscription, such as an Azure Active Directory. Then we have resource logs. Resource logs come from Azure services that deploy resources within the Azure subscription, such as network security groups or storage accounts. You can configure diagnostic setting in the Azure portal either from the Azure Monitor menu or from the menu for the resource. These logs differ from the activity log. The activity log provides insight into operations such as deleting a logic app, etc. Activity log is a subscription level log. And these logs also differ from guest operating system level diagnostic logs as well. So that concludes Azure monitoring lesson. In the next video, we're going to talk about Azure Security Center. So I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care.